Hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be reviewing, this is Saviland's e-file. It's 50,000 RPMs. In all the years that I've done nails, my files have always, the e-files I've used have always been 35,000. So this is like, I'm excited. I want to see how this works, and I want to thank Saviland for sponsoring this video today. I'm super excited to get into this, so just bear with me, and yeah, we're going to see how this works. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, here we are. Look at their packaging. They've always got the prettiest packaging. So this is a 50,000 RPM e-file. It's got 12 hours of long-lasting use. It's got a super battery, bilateral holder slot. That's where you would put your handle into. 5-color lighting. 5-color lighting, okay. Let's see what we have here. I went ahead and took the cellophane off because it's so noisy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at their packaging. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they always have very well illustrated manuals on how to use their items. So let's see here. We've got a very well packaged drill. All right, there's the, okay, so this is what you would put your handle in. Let's see here. This is model SA001. Let's see, 30 watts, charging time, 5 hours, endurance, 12 hours. So I'm excited for the, oh, that's where the lights come from. Looks like, okay. Yeah, I'm excited for this. Okay, so let's give this a look-see. And then what I want to do is just kind of, I'm going to do this hand. I want to see how well this works. I don't even know why I'm saying see, because everything I've ever gotten from them has always worked wonderful. So it comes with a couple of, actually, a little more than, oh, there's more. Okay, so it comes with bits. These are nice. These are nice drill bits. It's got some sanding bands, your mandrel. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, look at those. Gorgeous. Okay. So, okay. Give me a second. I gotta get this all out. Okay, hold on here. Oh my gosh, there's more goodies. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, this thing's solid. Okay, hold on. Let's see if we can get this out without dropping anything. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Oh my gosh. This is so fancy. Super fancy. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, so the bilateral holder. So you can put it on either side, whichever works best for you. So mine are normally on the right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. It snaps right in. Oh my gosh, look at the color. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to set that one there for just a second. I'm going to finish trying to get everything out. And then, yeah. Another drill bit. Look at these. This is amazing. Usually, when you order a file, which I did not order this. This is completely sponsored by Saviland. They were so incredibly gracious to send this to me. And I cannot even tell you how happy I am. But usually when you order the files, it's got some nice weight to it. E-files, they'll send you, most companies, you might get like this here. But they have just gone above and beyond. Oh my gosh, I do like how that feels. And the purple sanding it. Oh my gosh, how pretty are those? I'm normally a pink person, but let me tell you, these purples are gorgeous. Okay, some buffing files. These are nice. Oh my gosh, okay. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna be selfish and probably keep those. Oh my gosh. This is just screaming like a unicorn vibes to me. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just, yeah, I'm a little enamored here. I love this stuff. Alrighty. This is your charging cord, okay? And then this is the cord that you are going to use to attach the drill to the handle, okay? The machine, I should say. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put some of this away, and then we're going to get going on just doing a little review. But just by the way it looks, oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to check and see if I have, usually 9 times out of 10, I can't talk, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have the battery's been charged. So I'm hoping that that will be the case, okay? That's how you put it together. So when you have your handle as such, never leave your barrel, never leave this empty. Always make sure that there's something in there, even if it's just this little, it's not even a bit, it's just a little, takes up space right there. So you don't want to ruin the inside of this. Look at that. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to pull that out. And then we're going to, okay, I'm trying really hard not to spill anything. It seems like every time I do a video, I end up losing, oh, these are different grits. I lose things. All right, so I don't want anything super coarse, so I'm probably just gonna go with a medium. And then go from there, okay? And I love these little cases. I appreciate them. They keep dust away from everything. Okay, so I'm going to put these there. I can't believe the amount of goodies that came with this. Okay, so I'm going to put this in there like such. That went down too far. Okay, and we're going to put this on. And then I'm going to show you, hopefully, let's see here, how it works. Okay. So please keep the machine away from the chemical solvent. The handle is a precision part. Avoid collision. I get that. Oh, and the other thing you want to be careful with, and I'm only telling you this because Lord knows I've done it numerous times. When I've set this down, not this particular one, but when I've set it down and it hits the floor, sometimes if it hits the floor just right, your mandrel is going to go, it's going to be tweaked, and then you're not going to have the proper rotation that you need because the mandrel's bent. So whenever possible, just always try to keep it in a safe spot. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to put this here out of the way. Let's see here. Oh, on and off. Wait. Oh, that looks like pause. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so P, that's going to be for pause, right? Do I hit it again? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that, it changes colors. Okay, I'm so sorry. I get so excited over stuff like this. And I have to tell you, I appreciate how gorgeous this looks, but the fact that they've got it, they tell you like the battery, it's a full battery. It's in reverse right now. 13 RPMs, 13,000 RPMs, I should say. It's frustrating. Oh, when you use a file, you don't know where the RPMs are. You don't know where the battery life is. So I just, yeah, I appreciate this. Oh my goodness. Oh, but I'm curious. Let's go all the way to 50. I want to see, I guess here, how loud. And it's really not that noisy. I can't get over the fact that it's 50,000. Look at those lights. Look at that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to turn this down. And then I'm going to turn it off. All right, let's see here. Perfect. Alrighty. So you're going to have your USB in, out. Okay. This is going to be your forward and reverse buttons. So I'm going to move it to forward. I'm going to shut this off for just a second. Oh, okay. So you hold it down. Helps if I read the manual. Tells you everything in there. So I'm just going to set this down for a second. I'm going to grab my dust collector. All right, so there's the dust collector. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this on. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, that's right. Pause. Okay. So I usually do anywhere from 16 to 20,000 RPMs. So I'm going to do 20 to start off. Okay. This might get a little loud, so I apologize. Oh, these nails are trashed. In serious need of some help. Okay, so I'm just going to go around. Let's up it. Let's increase the speed. I'm going to go all the way to 50. I want to see. Oh my gosh, you can't even feel it. There's no vibration. Tell you what, 50,000 RPMs is going to make your job a whole lot easier. Things are going to happen quicker. You don't need to put a lot of pressure. It just does its own thing. Okay, I'm going to do one more. This is incredible. Okay, I am loving this. So it is really quick. Okay, so if you've seen me e-file before, I usually, on myself, sometimes it is easier for me to do it this way because I always wear clear acrylic so I can see what's going on. I was going to put cat eye on these and I changed my mind and just put glitter, so that's why I have the black. Oh my goodness. Again, I apologize for the sound of the dust collector. Let's see here. That just takes stuff off in no time. Very nice. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to shut this off. Okay. This is now mine. I know that sounds selfish. In our state, we can't use these on our clients. It has to be a nylon bristle brush that can be washed and sanitized and disinfected and all that fun stuff. But yeah, this will just be my brush. And yeah, I could sit here for hours and just look at that. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, I'm going to finish up the rest of these. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint them. But I want to thank Saviland. Hold on, I'm going to move this out of the way. Oh, I've got dust everywhere. It's like in pristine condition, and I don't want to ruin it. But anyways, I want to thank Saviland. This is a beautiful e-file, and I love the construction. I love how it's made. Everything about it, I have no complaints. I have nothing bad to say. I think it's gorgeous. And once again, thank you, Saviland. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will be back again with another one. Cheers.